Literally, doctors are coming back to me and saying, wow, what has happened to this patient? And I tell them that the patient's been using LIVFRESH and just did a simple scaling and root planing in conjunction with LIVFRESH. So my name is Brad Heatherington. I'm a dental hygienist and I work at the VA in Palo Alto. I do use LIVFRESH Dental Gel. I've used it for over 2 years. In fact, my whole family uses it. It's a great product and I stand behind it 100%. The type of patients that I recommend using LIVFRESH are all my patients, actually. So especially ones that have periodontal disease and or gingivitis, they really can benefit from using LIVFRESH. One of the things that I like most about LIVFRESH Dental Gel is that it actually works. So just put it plain and simple, if you have a patient that is trying to improve their oral health and they've been struggling with methods that they've used in the past, it's refreshing to be able to come to them and say, I can help you with your inflammation, I can help you with your periodontal disease simply by switching over to a toothpaste. And they're like, wow, it's just simple toothpaste is all I need. It will actually reduce the pain that you have going on in your mouth, which makes it a whole lot easier to start flossing. And these are just basic steps that anybody needs to take when they have gingivitis or periodontal disease in getting healthy. The first thing I noticed was when I used the toothpaste that my teeth felt cleaner than it ever felt before. In fact, they didn't just feel clean, they stayed feeling clean throughout the entire day, and actually I woke up the next morning and my mouth felt just as equally as clean as it was when I had first brushed my teeth. And that to me was just absolutely amazing. It was very refreshing. I like the light taste. It's not a heavy foamy agent. It's not gritty at all. There's no grit in it at all. It's really nice. The product, I gave it to my wife to try, and it was the first thing she said was that she couldn't get over how clean her teeth felt. It just washes away all the biofilm on your teeth and it just stays, like it feels like your teeth stay fresher longer. And when I mean longer, it's like more than a day. Literally, doctors are coming back to me and saying, wow, what has happened to this patient? And I tell them that the patient's been using LIVFRESH and just did a simple scaling and root planing in conjunction with LIVFRESH, and the patient's inflammation, the bleeding gums has reduced to the point where the doctors are almost rechanging the treatment plan for their patients after they've seen the results of the patients changing their oral hygiene habits. Plus, patients are so excited about the results that they see, it really helps motivate them to stay active in taking care of their own teeth. Some of the effects that I've seen patients have when they use LIVFRESH is an absolute reduction in inflammation, reduction in bleeding, pocket reduction, and just overall healthier oral health in between cleanings. The anti-inflammatory properties reduces the biofilm in the patient's mouth, which then effectively reduces the inflammation in the mouth. So inflammation is the root of all evil. And so if you can remove inflammation, then you don't have bleeding gums, you don't have gum disease. So it's a product that actually works, and I would just absolutely recommend it. So some of the things that I like about LIVFRESH Dental Gel is the fact that it's not thick and it's not foamy. I like the light feel of dental gel. You don't have to run it under water to get it wet. You just apply it to your toothbrush and start working it in, and it's a light, refreshing feeling that's in your mouth. It doesn't feel heavy. I believe that using LIVFRESH Dental Gel does have an impact on public health. Working for the VA and seeing all the patients that I do, I think that this is a product that will definitely change not only our patients, but patients who work in private practice or patients at home.